Now, Mango Airlines have been celebrating their 5th birthday, and that was on the 15th of November. So they've launched a fantastic initiative called Mango's Random Acts of Kindness, where you can nominate various organizations or various people that make a difference in the lives of others. And we received a letter from Johan and Liana Lewis that said, we identified a preschool that hosted 18 children in an informal settlement, and it's located in the Clarinet area in Witbank. It's known as MNS. More than half the children suffered from malnutrition. There are no facilities. The children were clustered in a 2-by-3 meter room. Their ages are from 6 months to 6 years. There's no electricity, no running water or toilets. They got involved through their house assistant and provided feeding to the children. This was followed by provision of a water tank container as a classroom and a toilet facility. The classrooms were equipped with furniture and educational toys. And then on the 5th of November, we went out to the school and prepared food for all the children and their parents. And they were incredibly surprised that all the equipment and toys were new, as they were only used to receiving second best. And since then, the condition of the children have improved tremendously, and the number of the school has increased to 30. We're still busy trying to improve the situation with additional facilities, and the most amazing thing of all is that the house assistant who took us there is living in conditions just as bad, and that's the person that they'd like to reward. So thank you so much to Johan and Liana Lewis for sending those details in and for making a difference in the lives of others. Now over to Kia and Kat, who are standing outside to tell us how you can also make the difference in the lives of others.
Stay with Expresso and SABC3.